This is a food scale and actually can track the nutrition with the app. This is quick start guide. Pretty simple. It looks great. It's stainless steel. And here is the back we need to pull in order to use. Okay, this is a different unit. It got actually 5 units. This is the gram, and this is milliliter, ounce. This is pound. This is ounce. Great. And you also get a tire function. Now I push the button again. It's back to 0. I just put avocado right here. It's 194. Do the test again. 194. To the side. 194. Oh my god, it's accurate. Put it right here. 194. It is a great little scale. No matter where you put it, in the center or on the side, same thing. Balanced. Good. And from the box, we can do a scan. Yeah, just right here, and we're going to install. We're going to try how to use the app. And when I turn on the machine, I'm also using the Bluetooth to scan, and this just coming up, and I'm doing the pairing. Okay, now I see the Bluetooth logo right here, and this is very easy to find. It's in the health and right here. Now it's searching the device now. Okay, now it's connecting. I even have a firmware update to this device. You see, this is actually doing the updating. It's great stuff. Alright, you can set all of your goals to what kind of stuff you want to eat. And you can do all the settings right here. Let's say you want to auto off like about 2 minutes. Yeah, very easy. And nutrition goals, manage my food. It's a great little stuff and got a ton of the function. Oh my god, I'm going to control my weight and by using this little nutrition skill. I hope this video is helpful. Thank you for watching.